welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. 53rd Passing Out Parade held at Northeast Police Academy. Public meeting held on education and child rights in Khubor district. Naba Bhattacharjee appointed team manager of Indian women's cricket team. And construction of Yao Museum to begin soon, says Joai MLA. And now the news in detail. The 53rd Passing Out Parade of the Middle Police from the northeastern states was held at the Northeast Police Academy, Nepa Umsao, with Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla as the chief guest. A total of 90 police officers, including 46 from Meghalaya, 19 from Manipur, 14 from Assam and 11 from Nagaland, completed their training. The group comprises 27 Deputy Superintendents of Police, DSPs, 2 Inspectors, 56 Sub-Inspectors and 5 Assistant Sub-Inspectors. They were honored for their successful completion of training in various subjects. Also present at the event were Dr. Celestine Lingdo, MLA Umsning, NEPA Director Danish Rana and families of the trainees.
Great sense of happiness and satisfaction to be part of the 53rd Passing Out Parade of the NEPA, where all the young officers, our DY, DSPs, our SIs and other officials, other officers who have passed out today. I take this opportunity to thank our director for having invited me here to be part of this passing out parade. This is my second program or the second passing out parade that I have had the opportunity to be part of, and hence I thank the director and the entire team of NEPA for inviting me to be here. I also take this opportunity to congratulate our young officers who have passed out today. I congratulate the family members. I'm sure that this must be truly a proud moment, not just for the officers, but also for each and every family member who is present out here today. NEPA has contributed immensely to the safety and security of our region by contributing towards the training of our officers and the manpower in the different forces that we have throughout the states in the region of the Northeast. This academy was started in 1978. It's as old as I am. And through these last 46 years, more than 36,088 personnel have received training in this academy. And as we could hear from the report that was given by our director, that this academy has evolved. It has learned, adapted, and improved the different modules, the different areas of training that are required as per the situation and circumstances.
The District Legal Services Authority of Khubor District organized a public meeting at Jata village Umsning Sian block to raise awareness about children's education rights and the issue of school dropouts. The campaign focused on the Right to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2005, urging the importance of education for all children. The event also highlighted the legal provisions against child labor and child marriage, such as the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 and the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006. Additionally, the program informed the community about various assistance schemes available for students. Key speakers included Q Maupnyang, Assistant Legal Aid Defense Counsel, Monica Namsao from DLSA, and Ba JK Pawa, police officer in charge. The meeting was attended by local leaders, parents, youth, and school children from surrounding villages, emphasizing the collective effort needed to ensure children's access to education.
Kila ban wanmi syaka office jangka district legal service authorities kemudian hamte hanampo district court fitip kadang kaweka kada district court idon yang kenika office jangka district legal service authorities te fila ban wan hamte fila ban bu yaka application ke jongpi ban pan yang kada jingra kabapi dan kam te apa lada pi kadang ro ba pindu no yang kada jingra lana fi sawen mo yang daga application ke jongpi lada pi yatrilang bagi blida
Khuborjylla Supreme Court. Tiki don giro tadi kita ki hop kiba mani kum ki dong Shillong manga mapi de bentuk kebening kong kedeka right to equality kebamot ke hop ben don kata ke jinyarin kan. Di yang kini ke hop la ayengi ha ke artikel khatsau hadu khatra jong kenikaan representation kenikaan ko ongba baro ki jai ben riu ki long kumju khmat kaan klem na thau ni nyo ya ka kenu jai ben riu klem na thau ni nyo ya ka jinglong contain nation rang keniam ke rukom ke riti ke dustur ke bangingi bun baro ki long kumju khmat kaan ka hok ka ba ka deka right to freedom kebamut ke hok ben yo ya kata ka jinglai duit yang kini ke hok la ayuni haka artikel khatra hadu arpuar jong kenikaan riti sinshan te hapo jong kenika hok banyo ke jinglai luan kidon sa hindriu terlibat kita ke jinglai luan kebening kong ke ke jinglai luan haka kran ke khana ke tin ke thlen ke jinglai luan ben snow ben pai ke badan hapo men siem ke jong pi lingba ke tin ke lingba ke don ke ba ke ke jinglai luan ben wan ra ya ke jingsuk Shillong thau aga iblang sa lang klan na pendan ka magi atyar ben saw kabalay ka day kajing mai lut ban lit shakanu ka benta jong ka ri India kabahap po ka hima ka sinsha jong ka ri India tinenta ka basaw ka day kajing mai lut ban
di kuwi ka daw ka bang la dong yang ne ka jing school stand for Tidak sih kan kita tinggi school stand for kadi kata hikawai kapang kata kajing mutma bal ese kata kajing kuat belano lani di dalam kimi kuat ese kata kajing ban kajing doku kemban se ban hak belano ya ukun lani ya ukun tekan ye kani ka chai de ba prohibition act ka khang ya gino dikena hiba hapo khasaus nema kemalata hapo khasaus nemi kani kakat kamut lakhang balama tinggi
The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has appointed Meghalaya Cricket Association MCA President Naba Bhattacharjee as the team manager of the Indian women's cricket team for their upcoming tour to Australia. On the same day, the Ribhoi District Cricket Association RBDSA paid tribute to Bhattacharjee, congratulating him for the prestigious role. Before his departure, Bhattacharjee visited the RBDSA stadium where he met with the young players preparing to represent the state in cricket tournaments. The event was attended by Roynal Kharkamni, President of RBDCA, Khuborjylla Thakuria, MCA Honorary Treasurer, and players from the Under-16 Boys Meghalaya team and Ribhoi Cricket Academy, among others.
I wouldn't be like wrong if I say Sarnaba and Sarduba has a quite soft corner for Ribhoi district because we are here together just to congratulate Sarnaba for being appointed as the team manager of senior women national team, and it's quite something everyone cannot dream of. Like it's been like quite something given by BCCI to Sarnaba, who really deserves this because the capable leader he is, and the way the MCA is performing, the MCA is going on under his leadership. It's something he really deserves. The way he leads, it's something, the gentleman he is, I would say. It's quite amazing, sir, to work under your leadership, to work under Baba Reynolds' leadership. It's amazing because this family, what we have in MCA, is something we are really proud of, this momentous achievement, what you have achieved. And moving forward under your leadership and under Sir Reynolds' leadership as the president of RBDCA, who would be
of future Meghalaya. You see that building behind? You're seeing, na? The clubhouse. This building, you think without this foundation it will stand if you just put there? Huh? Because it has got a strong foundation. Similarly, you under-16 boys are the foundation of our teams which will come after you. So your role is very, very important, because from this level only you go up to 19, 23 senior, and this is the place, this is the age group where you have to learn, fine-tune your techniques, go up to your coach, because once you go, as you grow in age, it is very difficult to change, whether it's your stance, whether it is your follow-through, whether it is how you bowl, at what length you bowl, all these things, this is the time to strengthen. And one more thing, you have to be very, very serious with what your coach and others are saying. Understand? Yes, sir. This is the time also to build your discipline, your commitment, and also to decide whether you want to continue playing cricket after this camp or this tournament. Because this BCCI tournament...
After years of delays, the construction of Yao Musyang, the largest market in Jaintia Hills, is set to begin soon. Joai MLA Wailatmiki Shilla announced that Rs 25.60 crore has been allocated for the project, with the government having already called for tenders. The construction is expected to commence in the new year. Shilla stated that upon his election, he took immediate steps to monitor the stalled project, which had been partially suspended under the funding of donor ministry. Following discussions with the Chief Minister, Shilla secured a promise for additional funds to complete the market spending works, which will benefit the region significantly.
The district council kala yo ya kene ka scheme na donor ministry habis nem arjar la arjar sawi ai te hadin nang tu anda kila yo kila prepare ya ka plan te nang ta anda kila prepare ya ka plan te ki patch ka donor ministry te donor ministry ro ka approve ya hadin ba kila approve ya ka ne ka plan te ki sanction ya ka amount anda kila sanction te ka ne ka ayupat ne ka donor ministry ka sanction ya ka plan ka ba G+6 แต่คุณประพิติพมิคาเลียงยิ้มละวันชนะคำตำคือตุกิปอร์มั้งอีดังสตริกบ้า te ngimla ban chnai kan ni te hadin nang ta without informing the donor ministry te ki change no yak ni ka plan na ka G+6 G+2 pen te hadin nang ta te ka donor ministry kam tip yak ni te ka sanction ka pelaj yak first installment te ka kam kala ya te onda ke la ya te ka hadin ban peswaban pelaj yak second installment te ki nong inspect ki wan na dali te hadin nang ta ki lap ka the total ka building kala change te na kata ka daw ki pan no yak ki explanation kin balai kan ni kala change balai kum ta te na do kata ka por ka susa kut pe tingi sio thu mo ha jing ya jong ka por change ka sarkar change ki minister change ki officers te na kata ka daw imat ka susa kut bai kum ta te hadin ka jingwan ka jonga nga budin ya kan ni ka kam nga labba kan ni ka kam ka lalong ka ba chutom ba ban yo biang ya kata ka remaining balance na ka donor ministry te na kata ka daw ma request no ya chief minister budon burom jongi te ka ba un pen yo no ya sanction na ka state ke te na ai public yo chief minister ba ula pediang ya kani ban menta ula penyo ya kani ka sanction ke ba 800 crore 800 crore almost 800 crore na benta ka tega project bat ka tender la dep khot satang ka allotment ban ngai scam ba hadin ka jing yo ya kani ka fon ngin yo ban pendep ya kani ka kam ha ka por ko biang khnang ba itu ki ba pli ki nong song yo ki ba mo ban chnai ki tu ki yo nomar ni hapan pat ya ki tu ki bun ha ki dukan ki ba la pat ha ka tu ka ba hapan penpra sorry ha ka tu ka jaka tengah ngai scam ba kitu ki ba peli ki la su apsa menta di ki post nem ba kanu lanu kan ni ka yo kan dep khnang bakin yo ba ban song hang tu khnang ba ka bakin yo mo ka jing ker khu le ne ka long ya ki kum ka lat ban pandap pan biang.
The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC welcomed 500 new members from various political parties including the VPP, UDP, TMC and NPP. The members were received by Congress leaders including MLA and Vice President Ronnie V. Lingdo, Working President PNCM and Bora Marak. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Ronnie V. Lingdo emphasized that despite the departure of 3 Congress MLAs, the party is gaining support as people realize that only the Congress can uphold the rule of law and maintain peace in the state, district councils and in parliament. He expressed confidence that more people will continue to join the Congress in the coming days.
Only the Congress party that can really take care of all sections of society from different walks of life, irrespective of caste, creed, sex or gender. And realizing that they've been associated with those parties, but they've come to realize that it's only the Congress party that can really work for the interests of each and every one, irrespective of caste, creed or gender.
But how many members have joined the Congress?
See, like for example, because of a space constraint, from Trinamool Congress, they've dissolved the Trinamool Congress TMC in Nong Thamai, and about 1,500 members have enrolled, joined the Congress. And we will organize a meeting very soon in Nong Thamai constituency itself to welcome all those members who have associated with the Congress party or joined the Congress party. And from other constituencies, because of the distance, because of the space constraint, say from Jirang 50 of them have joined, from Soyong 50 of them have joined, and then from Motharaishan 50 of them have joined. But they've told us that more are willing to join the party, and when those people have joined, we will organize all those those who have joined the party in their respective constituencies.
How many from which constituency?
Who have joined today? From Nong Thamai, from Soyong constituency, from Motharaishan constituency, and from Jirang constituency. Legal experts, we will take this up in the court of law, and regarding the decision of the speaker, that we will take up, file a petition in the High Court, and then we will see the next course of action accordingly.
Have the petition been filed? Or?
No, we are preparing it. Maybe within a few days we will file the petition, because we are consulting legal experts, and our legal team has gone to Delhi to meet with these legal experts, who are very conversant with this anti-defection law.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.